What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people who have Rosalie respond to Zozo because Zozo cuss out Brit and tell Brit say don't play with Rosalie because when nothing ever they are going for she, you see me I say they were nowhere to be found. And me did tell you already, you know, my people say Brit I go get back her support. Me tell you months ago when she and Zozo just start deal. Me tell you say she go get back her support, and enough of the people who did cast her down and don't want to match with her, and them same one I go match with her. But at the end of the day, when it come to TikTok and matching with people, you can't be selfish. You see me I say although maybe you have them up certain way, you can't be selfish because you end up hold on yourself also. You see me, the people them we come over there with and watch you play with the usual people them when you play with and something. But them want look a spice, them want to see you play with some other people. You know what I mean? So I know for them bit fall off, but people did kind of condemn her and them way there, you see me, a certain way, but you can't hold grudge on TikTok, yeah, man. If a man not do something extreme, you just know, say, yo, you have to at the end of the day, play with the people and to spice up your thing and get more kinds, you see me, so let me know what you think about that with people. We also have a bag of more things because this female, I don't know her. First, I see her, a Rasta girl. She come out and I said the lion man I go disappoint him wife. You see me that a Roza. You see me I say and tell her I say she should have married him and as him reach a Canada so him I go left her and bag or something. Say boy she should have take heed from how him deal with Ashley and a bag of things and people. You see me? So we are going to hear from she also. And we have a bunch more other things where we can't remember if you tell you what they are now, but whatever you don't see in the intro, you definitely are going to see in the video. So make you get in it, my people.
I they say boy come from Danvers. Something like so. Danvers pen. No that place there? I they say come from
Depend them a dangerous place, you know.
yeah, they say come from.
That's why she love him off, so that's why I get the chance, man. Because
Yeah, they say Jermaine come from. Jermaine.
That's why I get it. So he might bring over a congear.
Yep, Danvers Penny come from.
He might bring over a congear, man. That's why I get the coach. So he can't go back. He can't go back, you know. Can you call up and cat? He can't go back. And then the worst man upon the app in condemn. Jesus Christ. What make the people do this to him, man?
And that's where Jermaine come from. Danvers Pen.
You can't imagine him live with all him baby mother and he not do that to him baby mother.
And him baby mother.
And him baby mother she go to hate Rosalee, but
alright, Jeremy, can't tell we see a lie we are tell we have everything for you. We have who you can register to everything. The car no in a for your name.
So that's me say all the car when I drive now the one I take it for him.
You know in a fee name.
Cause the car in grounds out the car too. In shots out the car. Lord God,
I don't know if him used to work at Surge Island, I don't know.
I'm full of too much cholesterol. What you call it? Cholesterol?
Cholesterol. Uncle, stop listening to Rose, you know.
She knows star. Me can't believe it. The man push up here and I want cow. He get milk.
A hog, that uncle. A I think he might get milk and don't get milk. Hog no milk. He push up his head and now hog and think a cow and think he might get milk.
You can't take it to going himself and it two thing he can do. Is it that him unalive himself or do some stupidness? You didn't know? Or end up a walk on the road mad? Because them are going to condemn him and nobody not going to, yo, Jesus Christ. Rosa
Top pen or bottom pen? We don't know. We just know say that this time come from. We don't know if a top pen or bottom pen. We don't know. We just know say that it come from St. Thomas or Danvers. We don't know if at the top or the bottom.
Oh, I want to worst thing when he's a countryman and your name call up on them things. The community no want to see you in the community. But
him drive, let me tell you what kind of car him drive. Let me tell you the car we him drive. Probably no know nobody the car. Wait there, hold on. You know what kind of car it is? Toyota VIOS. How about that? Grey. VIOS our grey one grey car Toyota VIOS. Me don't know what that be. That the car that they are foreign.
Oh. I must see years them.
2005.
Jesus.
Man, you can keep my job as related. Why they care so?
Oh, you know, so me feel like
they said the model is VIOS. It is a motor car. And the color is gray.
Right now, them in a problem.
I don't know, Christian, I don't know.
Right now, Java stop her from coming club. Yeah? I want she start going club.
No money, she might go spend money. We are talking Jabba want money. You know stop her. She go spend money and buy Akim and his friend them NEC. It's crazy, uncle.
So anybody them see round her, them have them as bowcat then. I pay a bowcat par with Rose. I pay a bowcat par with Rose. Yeah, all the driver are bowcat. So you have to do it. Anybody as man they run Rose, a bowcat. That's why Akim no love her.
Okay.
Akim I go stop walk up and down with her. Remember me tell her. I prefer walk with Batty boy more than walk up and make people have mass bowcat. To him,
but uncle, it told them. But you know, see, it like Akim jealous of Rose, because Rose suck the hood better than him.
So you told them a bowcat.
Yeah.
But two bowcat can walk, just like how I said two bull can reel in a one pen.
Yeah, so she have to go and she over there so good better than him. I see him profession that, you know.
Simple.
Alright, so Coco, I know you're a pretty girl, isn't it? I know what I'm want you. Then me I ask you now, say, which artist you ever deal with? Which part, like sometimes you reminisce about them. Sometimes like you reminisce about them, or out of all of them, which one of them you just say, alright, you know, so that one I fuck me good, or that one you know?
Skilly Bang fuck me the best.
Is it? Alright? Alright, Skilly. One Skilly for the app. Boom, boom.
You asked me, so I had to answer.
Yes, you have to answer people that have to foolish one. Alright, Skilly. 1 point, sir. No. Alright, please. With no matter.
Come on, guys. Come. We're not gonna make you.
No, bro, that's one question I want to ask. What do you do, bro? You know, that's money.
We're not make you ask me no more question, cause
it only gets worse, my team. Come on, my team. Short. We are mixed up tonight.
come now, guys. Come. Me can't bother with the mix up. Come now.
Jamaica with it. We got Skilly one. So Skilly was, you said Skilly one of them which party that, you know, that rally back pan or certain kind, deal with it good. So which one of them did the worst now? We have to
As in, you flap out?
yeah, cause you have to like, alright, Which one of the artists are like when people hear about which part? You know, like some of my girl them love them and they say that, and like you said to yourself, only they know. Like, you know, worthy that kind of overrated, like, you know?
That here would the daddy.
Who?
The Rasta man, he would the daddy.
So like, you know, turn up.
No, you never that turn up, you have to pay with him back door.
He turn up.
Yeah, him would dead, cause him take a lot of drugs.
Like, pill drugs or sniff drugs?
Sniff, pill, anything, swallow. Him take all sort of drugs, but him would dead, he big and he dead. He dead, are the worstest me ever get. The worstest.
Oh my God. Next match. Lord God. 2 questions that got my team. Alright, my team. So we have 2 artists already out that way. Take out that way. Take out them 2 artists then. Oh my God. What did they ask? They say if Lord God you know, anybody that listens to this, please know anyone that artist them. Please, I know me I people in my comment will send a gift. So they ask me a question.
Are you ask the question?
I don't mean to ask it. And I give in comment section. God you. Yo, atu, yo, let me not ask that for you.
And where them guys are where them ask over there so bad? Where them ask over there? Why me king can't ask me it?
Oh, what skill you ever asked you for do? But outrageous.
Never ask you for do no outrageous.
To the skill
I
and
be
dream.
a good in on the belly. With him big, him wood big.
Is it?
Be a good in on the belly.
Which artist eater?
None of them never eat me.
None of them.
None of them.
Apart from Jackie, some of them play the back door.
None of them.
No, yeah. Alright. Come on. So Jackie never eat her.
No, Jackie love backdoor business. Jackie no business. Him like backdoor, him like seeing backdoor get touched and eaten, and him like to play with your backdoor and do things in your backdoor.
Oh.
Hey, it's a backdoor man, strictly backdoor.
No, God.
He eat food off a backdoor, you know. Yeah, everything backdoor, strictly backdoor.
And Shanshan said she don't like it neither. But you with them pan ears down here, but take off the whole of the clothes in front time. I saw it at me now. Some already have on my G-string. No brassiere, no. Cause with them pan rush and me a sweat and me no want sweat off my makeup.
In see figure.
Yes, so my left it
That in I
down.
brain till to the day, okay.
What you say?
I tell her that me I tell her, so is the as man, the vision there, can't go nowhere, never delete. It's right in our foreign file. See it back quick. Right now as you talk, I want a time to flashback.
No, but with a rush. But here what him say now? Cause my back and forth, you know, cause I just come out of my suitcase them. So me I go in and my drop, go look something more. Cause we are say Ray. So now doing it, I'm going in the suitcase, and them turn up right there, so I me have to bend over so. So daddy asked me, I'm bend over saying on the suitcase. Remember me now go no clothes, you know. But at that time, he said, yo, go put on clothes. Go put on clothes. Me need that no.
Really have faith for true.
It is so like when your brother run, you go put on. You know, understand me, I say, ladies?
So,
No, but K, I tell you down here, K look good, yo.
them in a CK in a one brown bad suit. One brown bad suit. I'm only so me can see when you post look or something.
You should have the river?
Me have them in a me memory too, you know. So what me fi do?
Bro, yeah, the bro somewhere. The people that must say, bro.
No, if I do me a 6 and me
Oh,
da beg a little taxes, please. Long time from me na your house there. Me a lock you door and me a tell you, please, nobody now know nothing.
do it
The
that.
mad
Right,
five me
the
tip.
six. You see when six come in, six go straight in them room and lock the door. Me not see back
Man, you
six.
that man. Then in your ears, if I me tip, do. Please.
I mean, have to open the door and check for him to see if him alive. If he wake up, me say I want not no guy me a real hospitality indeed. If me thinking the respect, only thing in the respect me with. I'm thinking do it for spite, you know. Cause first day he did nice and him full up him things. Them say second day and third, he just throw them anywhere. And that's something I walk behind him. I mean, I say I feel in place. But six
But
never
you
violate
have
me.
to understand the fact now, case say him brave up now and him and Stella saying his sister business cannot work when we get older and we can't get back in our past and everybody will move on. So if I anything, no. So he might ask you now, so we are forward a party Saturday, but he might ask us saying where we are gonna stay.
Yeah.
Me can't give me all so I get a Airbnb, man.
That not safe.
Six.
You can't give me the house and we get an Airbnb. What you mean?
Me get a Airbnb. I'm
No,
getting
so I'm
here.
not stay in your house.
What are we have to
I
stay?
know.
Six. Me can never see as nothing else as me, bro. Nothing else. No else.
But when I can't sleep in a
That's
safe
why
house,
I'm
I
not friend girl enough. Me not my friend thing a bumbo class. She never work out. You can't any now go really
You
work
do
out.
one here. You wouldn't friend me. Me, you couldn't be friend.
Now you're mad, me can't. You see anybody who me now consider say who me don't want some of your catches, me don't know friend thing. Cause when you come on to friend, it's hard for you to ride. Cause you not go and talk
So
back.
you
So
did
when
that
me,
text some of my crutches doing here.
what you mean?
So that's
Raw dog.
what? When just a while ago.
raw
With
dog.
you. You know, say no. You see, that's why. You know, I'm putting on the paper road in a doing here. You know, say, when me hug up six and go on. You know, say, me sit down here road and hug him up. Me no brace pan him. Me no brace my body pan him. Come here, tell
Better
you.
give my church hug.
No! It first time. It first time, me don't know where me and him, I think I'm a party, me and him go. I am stand up in front of him and me I say, do one ya. And he just jump me off. Me say, me good. Me no bother around, me no around put it. No, Junior no around. Junior gonna make you feel this big thing yeah. Me no, it's okay.
Big on shit talk about chat. Big thing. Big thing. Oh, I don't know, medical nigga.
Love this. Yeah, my boy was shot.
Where you go?
What up, Six?
There, bro.
What up, my brother? Welcome to Jamaica. I like Jamaica. I like this little Jamaican lives. I like this.
Yo. This is your chance and don't blow it,
Oh, this is
bro.
my chance? I'm a
Yeah.
My people, I want to tell more what you think in the comment section to the man them. If you had a girl good as friend certain way, she not in a relationship, you know what I mean, and she do what you do in front of you like how she do it in front of the G, what you would do as a man. Tell me what you think. You see me I say, and to the females them, would you do that? You see me, in front of a man where you not plan for give none. Or maybe a brawling, she brawling with it that way and want the dog, or maybe a test, she a test him. Tell me what you think.
Let me lock in. Let me lock in then anyway. I got you right now, beautiful. I got you right now. Don't even worry about it. I got you. Yo, so what's your name, beautiful?
Oh, I'm Kay.
Your name is Kay? You from Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican.
Okay, interesting. Oh shit, my fault. I didn't mean to do that. Let me click it. Can you say that again? Okay, so listen to me. You're Jamaican and how old are you, beautiful?
How old do I look? Be honest.
Like 22.
36, sweetheart.
I love him older, I ain't gonna lie. That's all I like to hear, you feel me?
How old are you?
How old does you want me to be?
You look 25. Ooh. Well, that's not bad. Put the hair a little bit. Oh, yeah, sir.
Be real with you, what's your name?
I just told you forgot already.
Cause I'm too busy looking in your eyes. Sorry, I don't want to do too much, you know?
Now I don't want you to stop.
You don't want me to stop?
No.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. The way you looking right now, you looking mighty scrumptious over there. And I like Jamaicans, I'm gonna be real with you. I like a little beef patty. You know what I'm saying? But like, what do you say, honestly? Have you ever talked to a nice little Hispanic?
Never.
Never?
You know why? I heard that you guys like to have a lot of babies. I'm scared of that.
I'm gonna be real with you, that's not me. I'm gonna be completely honest.
No, that's a good thing. That's the best time.
I'm gonna be, yeah, those are the people like Dominicans off the boat. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yo, so how do you know Donya?
He used to sleep with my sister.
Are you talking about?
No,
Yo,
not that
yo,
one. I don't
yo,
think it's
yo,
that one.
yo,
No,
yo,
no.
yo. Chill, bro.
Donya, I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know your life. I'm finding out what's going on. You used to sleep with your sister?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real with you, honestly. It's a W right there. See, now we could go on a double date, Donya. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing, Baba? Yo, I like her. I like me a little her. I ain't gonna lie. Shit.
Yeah, but what is if she like you back, bro? That's like you win her or something.
Yeah, my fault. My fault. You should ask her for me.
Nah, you should ask her. She would go out on a date with you. You can ask me. But
I bet. So,
How
honey,
tall are you?
5'8".
Well, I'm 5'6".
Perfect. I'm taller than you. That's a good thing, right?
2 inches is a lot to make up. You think?
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. I'm not a shower. I'm a grower.
Ooh.
Yo, but listen.
what's up?
What
me do?
the heck?
Wait, what?
I
What
mean,
do I do?
Yo, guys, everybody. Yo, damn.
What?
Yo, you know
I'm
what?
4 of them.
You know what? You making me feel some type of way right now. Be real with you.
not jump off of this, yo.
You making me catch a fever right now.
I mean, chat, I mean, left me.
Mr. Sharp, if you want it, you have it.
You know what?
Push me so glad so much, so much, so much.
Yeah, girl, boy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
All right. You can't, but I'm dead.
Get behind that! Holy
You know you can't manage that, you know.
First of all, I don't know what you just said. I need Google Translate.
Yeah, you can't go know. But we know so you can't manage it. Not.
Wait, what you mean?
I mean, what you mean?
Donya, bro, you're like, damn. Joke
Tell
that.
him what I mean, six. Tell him.
No,
Tell him.
yeah. Any palm boy level restriction, bro. It's
Me,
6K. Oh, this your girl? Oh, nah, I don't
No,
know. No, bro, no.
six
Bro.
restriction.
Yo, sixes, this is your girl. I can't be doing this.
No,
Bro. They're capping, man. I got respect.
A three
Bro, God, bro,
restriction
they're
with a
capping,
pal.
bro.
no, Six is my bro.
No,
Follow
it's
me
not. They're
on
saying no,
Insta.
it's not.
Follow
They're
me.
saying
What
no,
do you
it's
think
not.
I am?
Oh, nah, Chad. They're saying no, it's not, guys. What you guys saying in here, bro?
If I was Six girl, I would.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Chill,
Yeah,
bro.
that
I'm
makes sense.
telling
That
you.
makes sense. That makes sense.
Why you always following the chat, bro?
What
I'm
you mean,
single.
bro? That's what
Why
the
you always
respect
Yeah,
do
that's
is.
that?
what
I'm like,
to let you
yo.
know.
Yo, don't worry about it, 60. You feel me? You my dog and shit. I'll mess with you, gangy.
No,
Where you
bro.
from?
New Jersey.
Oh, you're right there.
Where you at?
I visit Connecticut a lot.
Some people leave your comments in the comment section. We can move on to the next. Me I go through this quick and fast, some people.
Oh, shit. Yo, her Connecticut girls are toxic, dog. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I am toxic for real, for real. All Jamaicans are.
She's a Jamaican,
And
bro.
I love that shit.
Stop
Come here, baby.
acting.
I like that shit. Come here. You want fun ass. You know I like that shit.
Very restart six.
Yo, you know what tres leches?
I have to give you a follow.
Yo, listen. Yo, you're good
I
vibes. I'm
have to
follow
follow
this
you
guy.
back. I just follow you.
I love that. Yes. Yo, six. I'm
Guys,
gonna be real
all
with you.
our Jamaican friends follow him
Yeah,
up.
bro.
Even though he's not, oh yeah, he's following me.
I
All
just
my
been looking
Jamaican
for
friends,
him.
be
Like her, bro.
Yo, six, bro. What's up with you? How you been, my brother?
I'm straight, bro. I'm
Yo, you
straight.
know what's crazy? I was supposed to try Jamaican food for the first time, and I didn't go because I had a stomach ache. So I'm gonna try it tomorrow.
She
So
can
tell me,
cook, you
y'all
know, bro. She
Jamaican?
can
Oh,
cook.
perfect. Y'all Jamaican. What is good?
Oxtail. She can cook oxtail, bro.
Yo,
everything is good.
okay, oxen. What else?
Rice and peas.
Curry goat, jerk chicken, all of it.
Shit. She going quick. Jerk
Okay.
chicken. Oh,
Do you like
shit.
spicy food? Well, you're Spanish. You must
Oh,
like
jerk
spicy
chicken.
food.
Oh, yeah. Yo, jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken would be a thing.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. We jacking jerk chicken, chat. This shit look good. Okay, jerk chicken and rice and peas. You said right?
Yeah.
Steamed cabbage.
Yeah, we can look on him page, sis.
No,
Yo,
I'm
I want
not.
to go to
Let me
Jamaica so
look
bad.
fun.
Yo, who?
I'm afraid let me look fun.
Yo? Yo, hold on. What the fuck? Whoa. Who was that? Yo, what the
What is he
fuck?
talking about? My phone?
Yo,
Yeah.
No, I'm
was
just
that
on
you?
Instagram.
Was that you?
No. Just some
Oh.
random people.
Yo, chat, I gotta be careful, bro. I ain't trying to get in trouble and shit. Scaring me, chat. Guys, who's here, guys? Who's here? Diane, everybody here, guys.
People, I might peek with him in just
Damn, bro. I like you guys though. I really like
I'm
I like the
already
look
there.
style. You guys
They're
are very
random
energetic.
people.
What is that thing called? Excuse me, beautiful. What is that thing called that when you guys, you guys get behind the girl and then you do the little, you know what I'm saying?
They're dancing. It's called
Yeah,
dancing, bumping
that's
and
what dancing
grinding.
is.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm trying to go to Jamaica, chat. What if that's dancing and shit?
Remember, they make the songs for us to act like that. So
Bro, y'all be bugging though. Like
yeah,
y'all be
like when
wilding.
them say broke off your back, you know you should. You know
Oh,
you start
broke
broke
off
off
your back. What's that song called? What's that song called?
broke off your back.
Broke off your back. Yeah,
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 boy.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here.
Get to nobody ready, girl.
Yeah, get your body wet. Oh. Oh.
Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? This make you feel like
That's that like that.
You have to come to Jamaica first to teach you the right way.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, you gonna have to, cause that shit was crazy, right? What I just did.
Yeah.
Yeah, my fault. Yeah, I'm learning though, beautiful. I'm Dominican and stuff.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna show you how we get down though. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all be getting down and shit, but yo, six, you don't even know what's up, gangy. You don't even know what's up. You don't even know what's up. Yeah, what you know about this, mama? Cara que tú sabes de eso, mi amor, ya tú sabes.
No, Leo.
You got 6. You gotta get.
What you know about that?
What you know about that? Yo, I like
That's nice.
6. I'm taking on a date. I'm the shit.
Like you like him, sis.
Yeah. Remember, I'm planning on dating out of my culture, and now I found a Spanish guy. This is nice. I've been single
And
for
you
a very
single?
long time.
I need a
So
Jamaican booski. Yes, I need a Jamaican. Jamaica. We in there. Yo, what's that? What's that thing called that you guys put the little white stuff on your legs and stuff? What's that?
what is he talking about?
Yo, when you go on vacation, they put the white stuff on your leg, like they fill your whole little.
Rafting thingy with the guys. You
Yeah.
let your girl do that?
Yeah, no. I put that on you. Yeah. Yeah. Soapstone. Yeah. Soapstone. That's what it is. So is you could do that though? Like is that romantic or not?
I've never tried it. I would want my boyfriend to do that to me though. I see what it does to me. What would I want?
You said a boyfriend. Hold on, then. Well, yo, you have a.
No, I'm just saying, like, I would have just let somebody random do it. It would have to be
Yo,
my
you
man.
keep mentioning boyfriend too much. You got a man's and shit. Like, you know, like, feel me? Like, it's all good though. I respect it. Like, you know, I'll pack my bags.
Just calm down. I'm saying, if I'm gonna get it done, it'll have to be my boyfriend who would have to do it.
Okay.
It wouldn't be some random guy.
Interesting. Okay. Yo, 6. Why you so quiet,
Bro.
bro? Like, you sure this not your girl, bro?
No, bro, I see you talking to her, bro, you know?
Nah,
You don't want to get involved,
You
bro.
gotta get involved, bro. I gotta be cool with you
For
guys
what?
before I talk to her, gang. What you think this is?
Sis, I'm
Yo.
gonna leave you. I didn't get your name.
Delman. The real name's Delman.
Salman? Okay. All right, D. I'm gonna call you D. Is that okay?
Okay, it was nice meeting you. What's your name? Kay?
Okay. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, beautiful.
We just keep it one letter, and that's it.
Okay, that sounds fine. So just call me D. Just make sure you stretch it out like long, you know, like D, you know?
Yes. It depends on the mood. And then you stretch it out when you feel, you know, when you feel it, when you say K.
That's how it is, you feel me? That's the only thing. Because if you say just D, like, I don't like it small, you know? Like, you know. Okay.
Chat, we're going to make one thing, the chat.
All right, I'll see you guys.
All right, take care.
You too. 6, hit me up.
All right, sis.
I'm out of here. Did you call her sis?
Yeah, my sis, bro.
Damn, man.
Oh, you like her, bro?
No, you setting me up for failure. You know that, bro. You know what you're doing.
No, bro.
You know, she got a little bit on the side.
No, from she follow you, bro,
Yo,
she
but
fuck
this
with
is
you.
different,
Bro.
though. I like that, though. I like that. This is different. I never talked to a Jamaican. I'm gonna be real with you. Never.
Oh.
They're gonna ruin my life.
I think she's the one for you, brother.
You think she's gonna ruin my life, though? Be honest. You think she'll ruin my life? She'll ruin my life.
No.
She too.
The build up. You like the build up, okay?
Build up, yeah.
You're a build up type of guy. Okay, may I get to learn you? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, alright, no problem.
You know, you're nice because you're nice because rare, and you know, and then you did that, you take your little time and start, you know, play some Trey song and them look nice, look R&B music there and rare.
You're romantic.
And you turn up and you shake your ass and say, I'm gonna start vibrating.
Oh.
Go.
Oh. Okay. And then I'm gonna bring out the machine.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
You know what is that?
Eh? It's like brrrr.
Yeah.
Yes.
I first to meet my mother really know what the machine. I say you really sit down and watch this, so yeah?
No, we just watch one of a movie.
Really?
Alright, the people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Me not talk too much. I run through the rest of this. So, we can watch some more.
Yeah. And I'm like study about woman and what woman like and everything. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay.
like,
So like me very creative. So for example now, like for example now, alright, so me like surprise woman and this something, you understand? So sometimes you have a bad day or whatever, me like to surprise her randomly. Surprise her with rose, flowers and them thing, and you know, sometimes we have to look a mystery thing when you call when it comes to boom now. When you open the door, they say open you know, me have some different note. When I say open the door, alright, go to the fridge, and then you open that fridge now. What you like drink? Dan Julio or anything?
I like Dan Julio, I like red wine. I like what else I like? I like pure white Hennessy too.
Alright, so that's gonna be a Dan Julio moment. So and a wine moment that when we kind of sit down and chill and you know, I'm gonna reason. So when it comes to bedroom bully thing and all, I don't know, wine, it's a hardcore rum. So when
Are you dominant?
Eh?
Are you dominant? Are you dominant?
Of course. Yes.
Are you ever submissive?
Yeah man, more look at time, but no majority of the time, you know. You see me?
The majority of the time you're dominant, right?
Yes. Cause
So
I'm
are
the man.
to like tie me up and put on a handcuff and something?
Yes.
Oh.
Tie you up and handcuff you and something, you see me? You see me? Tie up one foot over so when I reel in them, one foot over so and something, you see me? And tie up your hand them so and you sit in your mouth and something, you see me? And sometimes make like say like say, oh, alright, so we have some scene to make it like say like me just come in our house. Like me just break in our house and something. You see me like me I just break in our house.
Are you trying to branch off as a male actor? Cause the way you talk like a scene, you talk in my head me I say a personal something but you have to scene. You plan to record every moment of it?
Yeah, we record it, yeah. Of course,
So
yeah.
you're planning to go into the adult industry then? Is it that you want to go into the adult industry?
No, for my personal use.
Are you just like them so? Do you really like them so?
Yeah, everybody hear me like it, but me just not go public with it.
You don't go public with it?
Yeah, me not go post there or anything there. No matter what me want woman have, I never expose one woman. And I tell her, Coco, I have an app on my phone that I pay $39 each month for. You see me?
I go call you now. How would this boy them go call me?
Hey boy, go for your boy your car. You have number boy?
I can't bother with the drama in my life, you know, who this on the fake page. Yeah, no. Yeah, anyways. Now listen to you.
Tell him to call her. I'm mute.
It's
call
fine.
Her. Let me hear the message. I'm the phone I mix them. Lord God.
Oh, me know who.
Coco, if you see a group of drunk, mix them.
Oh, okay. Me hear say you have all for expand TikTok, actually?
No. Alright, that I think about me, Coco. Like,
Me too call you, yeah.
Coco, that I think
So
about me.
Me hear say you have all for TikTok over here, Zoom, man. Me hear say that clap all for girl them over. I mean, say you're super trick, you know, like you spend money on girl for true, you know. So me hear.
No, Coco, listen up. That's why I don't consider myself a girlis. Because guess what, no? Me not just grown and fuck like that. You understand? That's why I'm video them. When I'm ready, I feel like more fuck. Me just go out and video and jerk out. You understand? Me like to keep myself me come like I want. Like me kinda have some
exclusive for you?
Yeah. Right now you can't pan TikTok. Papa me TikTok right now. Ask anyone of them TikToker girls, rankers, whatever they want be. Ask them if me ever look them.
Thank you guys.
Me, no boy no vamp with me. How will me all lose? Yeah. You know some pitney, you know sometimes they would have tease some pitney. She biggie, she so high. No me. When me a gas vaccine, no me. No me. You mad not me. Not me. Me? No me. I met my name from 7th grade. My first semester starting in September. The second week in September, the whole of the line up at that auditorium, I get to 7 days we get to 7 days suspension. My line up for mines. It's a group of we. I put a suspension that we get. Everybody got them yard. I say about one black up in the gun home. Pay a 7 day. You get suspension till I'm tired. 7 days, 3 days, 2 days. Come back Thursday, come back tomorrow. Come back with the period. I'll be able to get to me at gas school. I'm not play. No girl no ramp with me. No girl no take no step for me what I need. No girl no ramp with me. No girl no take no step for me. All boy me fight. As some know say man thump at. As some know say man when man thump it at. Bust up the whole of my face. I made a boy a fight one time and beat up my blood clot and bust up the whole of my face. My face swell big so. So I go home and tell my granny say a bz bite me. Me never tell her says a boy took me in my face. Me say, me the boy call up about boop 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 boop. Me say a pure thumb. So I go home to my face sir. You know me say bz bite me. I know how I buy a 3-star and look for that boy there. Michelle me not laugh. You know how I buy a 3-star and tuck it in my shoes and look for that boy there. Cause them time a 3-star tuck in her shoes. I'm make sure my friend is security, him can't search me. When me I go to school with friend all staff, security can't search me. Me not talk 3-star in a bag. A shoes 3-star tuck in the side part of your shoes. You ever have it? And them have attendance when them have woman security woman who goes in the Brazil. Me say watch ya. Me not put in my bag. Me ever have it. Me tuck it in my shoes. Me tuck it in my shoes and some pin will get discovered in her shoes, but my friend is security man. Yeah. My friend him. Come in my one time in a girl a war. Me and my RE test. And the girl a chat me, trouble the girl, you know. The people in the classroom are trouble the girl, you know. And the girl a chatting with me, you know. No, so don't worry, you know. Every time she come to school and them big and sour like, and them big and stink like, and them big and this and them big and me, so don't worry, you know. Them big and sour like, and them big and stink like, I mean, so don't worry, you know. Me can't forget the Friday we have my RE test. I'm reach at school about 8:40 something. Cause school call long time for 8:30. Me late. So I'm late class in a session already. And the RE teacher said to me, say, Miss Dixon, go get a Dixon and hold that chair around her back. So Lord God. Anyway, you know. Remember, you know. The Thursday, you know, the boy them a trouble are, you know. Me not suddenly coming on but this girl, you know. Anyway, you know, I'm going to the classroom for the chair. The girl back me up in the classroom. All me here say, yeah, call up my name yesterday. I say, call up your name, say, what girl? I don't even know you. Trot. I saw me have a Dex in my hand. Cause Dex and chair them time the way I use at school. It's when I throw it pan her, I mean her toss up. It's when I throw it pan her, I mean her toss up. We toss up and we chop her ground. And the girl over me. And the girl go on with herself. And the girl go on with herself, you know. And me just tell myself, say, Father God, give me strength. It's when Father God give me this strength and reach over the girl. I nearly kill her. I beat her, bite her, tear her even. First to the 2 away. He said when the security come take me off her, I'll leave me licking her feet. No. Apart me. Mister, when I tell me and the girl fight and the girl and go to the motor. Bite it. Me get for understand so me can't go behind bars because me have me youth them for watch over them, so me cut out certain aspects of that girl in me. That girl in me. Me let her go. So me almost a trace now. And the more older I get, me learn to avoid. But back then, man, me no love trace. I said the more I argue with you, I said the more I go argue with you, and the more I go, my temper I go hot. And it don't make no sense. You sit down and trace out the whole session, and when war for start, I'm tired. So I don't trace. I never used to like it. I since now, since I read my social media, see you see me with laba laba. I never used to do it in a real life. Because I tell myself so I not argue. Because the time if I don't argue with you, I got tired. So when fight for go on, I don't tired out already because I don't rile up myself and tired out myself because I don't trace already. I do the action pack, straight licking a face. What you have to do? And if you lick me, if you lick me, I not stay lick me. I go lick you back, me a plan for you. I not get already, you know. So I must about 8,000 family. I'm saying everybody want to let bad. Me say, oh, okay. I'm afraid to come out of my yard. Afraid to come out of my yard. I'm back there, not even my man, not even my man with me there with. No defend me, I have to defend him. I'm afraid to come out of me, I'm saying. I'm still on a bun my Marlboro. And I calculate up the plan. I don't know if I'm afraid I don't know. So I tell myself I'm not living in fear. You know what me do? I'm going to town this same Saturday because the war will fight the Saturday morning. Young in a one bus, I'm afraid because I pay. The woman look at me, everybody look at me saying, let's go to Iraq or Iran or one of them places there. How long are you useless like about half a loss? They not few. I know say only be she. You know say more materializer she. I think it's her close to her birthday, my love. Yeah. So Toto. And that man in them say he was going to use a sleep. Cut by one half at last. You say, I walk with it for months, man. Months. But tell myself the breeze. Hey, one time the Father God help my soul. One time the vicious in God. I'm just glad it changed me. I'm ready to prison already. Yeah, come do some little stupid things when me young. Yeah, JB, I said the breeze. After nobody even. You know when I breathe, if I smell it, just barely pressure so. I walk with I got a shop. It's how many at town, but how many at town I sell, it ever peep out. Ever peep out, the angle light a peep right out. So as me deep so I have it. As me deep so I eat me a grab for. Yeah, but cause me said to my cousin say, you know, so me and the people in the hot water, and she was saying, so we have to do, I said, them tap, like the more come take a set for me, my plan for me, not just say, yeah, I eat that. So for them, she said, anybody we have plan for you, you just plan back for them, simple. Anybody we have plan for you, you just plan back for them, and that's how I come to the conclusion. Oh, me ever have something for me when I walk? Me a rap? That's it. Think like the story of rotten and with all girl stuffs. Chat, we don't enter the ranking yet. We don't enter the ranking yet, a Rasta, we don't enter the ranks. The ranks have never been entered all now. We don't enter the ranks as yet. The ranking has not been entered. Poor top strat. Till me done. Till me done. And you know so when in a times you automatically grow to certain stuff. Yeah. But one time gone about, man. I just say, oh, I just say, oh, hello, hi, I mean. I just say, oh, hi, hello, I mean. Power taps my team. Guys, we can recharge so we can enter the ranking. We have one also with Raja. So me I look the poop is a baby bed in them. For work, guys. As I talk about baby bedding. Today on Wednesday. I will talk about baby bedding. I'm gonna told them for do, you know.
As soon as you get them Canadian people right, they don't know what they have over Canada. As soon as you get in Canadian state, you're gonna start dealing with Dara. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you something, Rosie.
Alright, my people, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. We can watch some more of this and then we have a move on to the next one. Want to tell me what you think, my people. Oh, this girl sound. She sound like a F-up person, a hypocrite, a dirty, nasty person. Because once you meddle in a people relationship, because you don't know who make who happy. You see me, have to just satisfy with people choices where they make in a them relationship. You go tell the female say the man go look different woman or something. That means you tell the girl say she don't have what for hold the man. Every man cheat. A woman cheat too. You see me, I say if you look for a man when not cheat, good luck and finding that. You see me, I say the lion man is a jovial youth we mischievous. You see me, I say apart from that, me no know him personally still. You see me, so me no feel like say this female I know the man personally either. So me no feel like she have such a strong opinion upon the man I want mash up the man marriage. How you feel do that? Let me know what you think. Alright, my people, tell me what you guys think in the comment section. We can watch some more of this and then we have a move on to the next one. Want to tell me what you think, my people. Oh, this girl sound. She sound like a F-up person, a hypocrite, a dirty, nasty person. Because once you meddle in a people relationship, because you don't know who make who happy. You see me, have to just satisfy with people choices where they make in a them relationship. You go tell the female say the man go look different woman or something. That means you tell the girl say she don't have what for hold the man. Every man cheat. A woman cheat too. You see me, I say if you look for a man when not cheat, good luck and finding that. You see me, I say the lion man is a jovial youth we mischievous. You see me, I say apart from that, me no know him personally still. You see me, so me no feel like say this female I know the man personally either. So me no feel like she have such a strong opinion upon the man I want mash up the man marriage. How you feel do that? Let me know what you think. Yeah.
You see what Ashley walk, so the rest of we could have run the opposite direction of Jayden. Every woman should be running the opposite direction of Jayden. Ashley walked so that we could run the opposite direction of Jayden, to be exact. And over, girl, you live from Canada, eh? You gonna live with Jayden? Listen, I'm a Jamaican empress and I would never go back to my country and pick up one of them little corner boy or one of them little fucking streamers, right? Okay? The fuck? I gotta like, I wasn't born as no fucking sufferer. We're not married to no blood clot sufferer. You crazy? And then, listen, if you're going to do a paperwork marriage with somebody, don't do it with a narcissist like that. Because bad to bad, we would do a paperwork marriage with a Rasta. But it's just paperwork though, but I help him getting papers. We would have a factory though. you would have to sign some paperwork. Like, you work for me, you're going to give me all of your holistic values. You know, we're going to tap into the holistic cosmetology sector, you know? Like, we want all of the natural products them with Rasta them use. And would I just put them in a factory and I'm gonna produce, like, you know, like this the soap factory kids? Or they make soap? Like this Rasta, it might be a Rasta. I'm just wishful thinking. This Rasta, it might know how to make soap, it might know how to make castor oil, it might know how to make like all the ital things them put in your ear and put on your body, and I know all the ital things them for like, what we call that, longevity. You know, if I know all the things them like, you know, come and put him in my factory. Yes, I am looking for an indentured servant. The only way I get about the papers if me can benefit from it, but nah, get about the papers out of love. Can't do that. I see it feel too much time when you love somebody and then you're getting paper, the stress always comes. I see it happen. I see it happen to my family member. I see my auntie living in Jamaica and struggle with her man and come she get that shit, get filed for. She's not my auntie, she's my cousin. But because she's older than me, I call her auntie. She come off her on her green card and she get her citizenship and she file for her man who she have to pay with. And as soon as the boy come off her and get him paperwork, he ain't go find another woman. I ain't doing that shit. Because both my ex-husbands are immigrants, but both of them come here on green card. So I never have to know filing for nobody or nothing. No, both of them would have a green card. But I don't know paperwork marriage. We can't do it. Well, like I said, if I'm doing it, I have to benefit from it. I bring like a Rasta man, I go get him in paperwork, make sure same have him social, him can work. After the 6 years, or I don't know all the paperwork thing with marriage, whatever. But after the 6 years, I'm gonna sign over. Well, if he want to continue to work for me, because it work for me, you know. It work for me because it's a business. Like there's no men not have no intercourse or nothing. Can come and tell something. First and foremost, my man and me and him not gonna get married. So I'm very like business oriented, so I always want to embark on new businesses. So if I was to give somebody paperwork, it would have to be this. It would have to be this is a catch. It would have to be Rasta. It would have to know all of the things. It would have to know all of it, you know, do all the holistic things. Then we will help him out in that aspect. Some can set up himself, but me need to have the blueprint. Me if I have the blueprint to all the things that I make, so that when me and him depart, like, me know how to train other people to make this, make the recipe them, all the things them. Him can continue to work for me, but you know, sometimes people want to do their own things, and maybe he want to start him own a company, and you know, but I have to think. And you know, yeah, when you bring a man from a small island to America, babe, he's gonna want to grind. He's gonna want to grind other females. Yeah, he's gonna only grind other females. Like, female women from so many different cultures. Like, he's gonna want to grind. Like, you cannot. Let's be realistic. You can't bring a man from a small island and bring him to a first world country and feel like say him not gonna grind. Him I go temptation. I would have never do that. Would I never go? There would nobody know in third world country and carry them from America. And in a no relationship, like intimate relationship, no. That'd be a business ship. So I say that to say, Rosa, she is gonna get. She's gonna get frig. If she bring Jayden to Canada, she's gonna get frig so hard. Look at the passion that he has in disrespecting a woman. Do you guys know that women bring life? And a woman brings life, and that is how you treat them? That means you don't like women. And then you people crown this person as the king of TikTok. They're not going to cancel him, sample him. Obia strong, just like Rosealee. People don't understand that Jayden and Rosealee, Obia is very strong. And this is the devil's playground. And a lot of people on here, they are not spiritually guarded. They don't believe in my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. So guess what? They don't stand for anything, so they're gonna fall for this shit. Yeah, this is Jayden.
baby.
You know, this is what Slime said to him. It's not live. It's not live. And he said, "My business." So that's supposed to show that is how Jayden treats women all the time. All the time. This is how he treats women.
I'm not do chasing. First, I'm not do chasing. No. You get what I say? If you're not a man, but I'm not stand up right there, so in a chasing with me. That's what I'm say. You get what I say? If you're not a man, don't come here and say, anytime you move your head, anytime you move your head out our twist I wait.
You hear that? We're not gonna make my boxer in her face. You see how they try to desensitize? They try to desensitize us to domestic violence and them dehumanizing us. This misogynistic mindset. Something I've been preaching about for her.
The man just use the woman.
This is what Blinga says about Jayden.
No like woman. The man no like woman, period.
You don't like us?
Remember Ashley did come tell me, but we never did want to talk about it. Because to each his own. But me I say, if a man you love, fine. Nothing wrong with that. If a woman you love, fine.
Alright, my people, this girl, yeah, me no know her. First me I see her. You see, me no know if I no know her. But, you see, and that's why I show you, say, you don't know if you listen what people say, you know. You see, I say, you have to come to your own conclusion. You see me, and do your own research. Because this video where she has show with him, I cuss that girl, you know. And the girl first start behave some type of way, you know. You see me, disrespectful, and it reached there so. But them not show the part there. Them show the part where them across the female because them know the type of agenda where them a push. You see me? So let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
You see, what I now understand, you know, people find love. People find love in anywhere. If a two woman, then find love. If a two man, then find love. But why you know say you're gay and you come pretend to be straight when you know you're not straight?
I don't know how Jayden said that. I don't know how people say I watch Jayden. They don't understand, so they might open up those portals into their homes, like people like Jayden. See them on Jayden line? Them know say they might open up them portal there for it. When they meet man of them kind of money, I'm not gonna start meet.
Stop flirting alive next to the girl. What are you gonna do about him, answer?
This was months ago. Blinga been told us about Jayden.
I can't do a comment. Because I can't stop it. If she can't manage it, she go. Come now, change nobody. And me I get too much stress. Say, when I go down, police them now, detective now gonna know who drop me out.
And she got married to this a walking dead.
How when Britney name reaching and look by you, and you can't get a strength. No. They are coming back, but oh, stop playing with her. Somebody run over girl I'm wearing in the comment section. I'm gonna look on them. The girl texting from me up and say, I appreciate you, queen. She say you're the queen, I say you're a queen as well. I'm on my phone. But me never play the match. She might not win podium last night. But at least she get 2 coins on the board with a long time when I see her wit. Like me, I walk a little bit. I walk a little bit for play. Me not chase. I two things I carry around as a moving vehicle and a man. So me not run behind the people. Me not run behind the people. It's a from me realize what time it is. Just make me, Rosalie, come to a conclusion. What kind of friend you be, and what kind of man me there with my gun. Me not run behind you. Me gonna leave. Me not run behind you. No. Make me come to the conclusion what kind of person you be a gun, me gun. Let me run behind. Me not do them something there. Everything's a life experience. Used to talk to one boy one time, and I tell him, I like the boy, and I like the boy, tell me fool. Fun as in fool. I'm a call, me beg, me plea, me call, me beg, me text, me beg, me call, me play, no walk out. I'm say, alright then, the last call, me call, I'm say, no, I'm say, no, what? Since I see me I do this sip for quite a while and it come like say me I throw coffee in the milk and me I throw coffee into the milk and it not getting white nor black. Make I leave you alone. I'm at to stop. Just call them days, I mean 1 week past when I look by you. When I see me look by you, when I see what I see you. 2 weeks. Then me say you come back round now and make much of me. I say, oh, can I look smart for run down? Here I go. I might put them in a run down and I'm at 8 and 10. Ooh. But I don't mean I might put them now. But I run behind them. When I go see you for look for them and them see me and me give them when I get them. Some of me later them go about them business. Oh, come sell us with me no. Not even my two put them birth in 2015 and 2017. Me not run behind much less people. Me not run behind people. Cause you will give your all in people and you will give your all in people. And when at the end result you get nothing. Like when you send for your man from Jamaica and when the man reach you married. You married a man and sent him from Jamaica. When you reach a fine with him and him settling, him gone with somebody else. You get nothing. You can't put the all in a people. Me stop that a long time. Me tell some guy see you. I'm talk to the two chick monks in my birth. I beat them if I say blah and give them one tool for $5, one $10. Them missing action and them on my own when me birth. I mean I call them for run them. If I say come son so with me no go on. Me not run on people to play with Zozo. But what? When you don't see these things on the internet, you don't like unity strength. And when you realize that Brito find a little better that you don't like that. Because you would have wanted on the board with 200 diamonds, but you don't want to get on it with 200 diamonds and then you get on a bad mind. Because if I want to play with somebody with me 8 and I make money, make your money. That making money has nothing to do with who you like or who you don't like. A money you look. You don't have to be friends when you match tonight that. The long time you step on the board with nothing. You don't like people improve. I choose to play with her, and if she don't want to play with me, fine. Cause me multi-talented. Me not have to chat people business for you. I have to argue with that girl or a boy and I have to stay relevant. Me multi-talented. Remember me born with unique side shape and figure. I got throw on the boot. Sit around there so. I'm all can tap in and go tap your so. Turn on the piece of heels and tap your so. And turn on the music. I put on one tie, I put on my short skirt them. And tie my blouse, I put on one stocking. And close pin up my ear. And keep party. 3 lions start the party and appear. Money gun pull up and this pull up and that pull up. And drink liquor and wine till me tired. And throw content on board. And wolf and lock down the whole city. Remember me first come here come dance. I have 10,000 people here and lock down the whole place. Me no need nobody. Me no see that. Me stand alone. All in the war and me one. What can you hold? All your whole family, your mama. Come here plan for no. Oh? Me no need nobody, so if I need somebody for chuckle along my journey. That's why if a boy move, him foot me no drop, and if a girl move, her foot me no drop. Some will live for today. Some people live for the moment. Me live for the future. I think about next year it no come. That's something think. I think beyond thinking. Me no hold up nobody no hold up my lines, I'm no hold up nobody line. Anybody want to walk her free forward, the door is open. The same as when you find your place in, you can't find your way out. Me not run behind people. No, don't upset me. Come in and walk such people play with. A long time I know the veteran of the game here, so. Ali have 1 million followers. Ali not to walk and play with Jamaican. Check the people that I play with. Ali have 1 million followers. Ali not walk and play with Jamaican. I rarely see Ali play with that Jamaican. I pay a fine rank of them play with. Ali always requests me. Always. always request sometimes me decline him because I have no smoke and I don't want me catch the embarrassment. Them always request me. I remember him no walk and play with Jamaican. Back in the days when the first of Jamaica used to play with a real dog, and I don't know what to go on with a screen card there. Him no walk and play with Jamaican that much. Because when them beat him, when them beat him, when them beat you, him want to tell you say he's a small person. You can't go up to him. You must tell you, I don't do official battles. Where if you not walk up me? Me have Ali can play with, me have Mechi can play with. Me have Jabas can play with, people can play with. You know, so I rather slow and play with right through and they how much diamond on the boat today. No well equipped. Me not this much no well equipped. Like the ordinary. I ain't me still on rank with. Me need nobody to play with, me need God. And a few people that come support me. No boy. Come and walk and look friend from nobody.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But me have to say this in a Zozo defense still, people. A Zozo kind of brush off, no kind of Zozo brush off Brit and do the do and make Brit is who she is back right now. If it was for any other rank as them, Brit would have still there with she there and I suffer, and them would have chat Brit and say, you see how you used to disrespect people or whatever. You know what I mean? That them would have do. You see it, but as me saying at the intro, at the end of the day, TikTok is a place where you have to match with people and the right people then to draw out the kinds out of your gift to them. Cause if you go match with the same set of people them every day, you know what I mean? You need to versatile up the thing. You see me I say? So although them never willing to help Brit when Brit did that, you know what I mean, was at the reverse. You're back in a full force and nothing if you play with them. That means say, let me know what you say.
You don't know something versatile. I drop 2 stories. One time gonna back Zozo. See all of this a nasty one you come here, so we can't chat to him now. He might run me down now. Enough him time now. Give me a second, me a recharge and come back. Me soon come. Give me 2 minutes. Reach play with him. Chat me we have the game with Sugar Friday. Me versatile. And me alone sit down and me will sing us for the whole day and chat, ask the people them the girl them over here. Me sing us for the whole day and chat and reach up there. You know who name Rosealee? Me over here, I sit down and argue with nobody. When I live at Seaview back then, in my purple house, I sit down in front of my camera and draw for the liquor. And what comes to the mind, I tell it to the body. I'ma grab the crowd, I'ma entertain 2 girls and appear laughing. I have one story, I go drop, I have one story, I go drop. And I sell it. I want to sell lion for a store, I sell lion at show. I'm in the part, anybody, nobody so like me can't say me. Everybody hate me so. My jaw crowd already at 6K when they check along to 3,000. I say, everybody hate me. Somebody can't say, well, I'm 3 line, I get the one day there. No, some boy Rose, me versatile. Rose will always be Rose. You know your Akim telling you walk from Rose, she will still be Rose. Me versatile. Always. You walk from me, still gonna remain the same girl where you left right so. Even better. Rose will always be Rose. Me don't need nobody. Me. And the work me come. Chap gonna reach out and take her and he will soon come back. Me? Anybody? Me not chase cloud. You ever see me in people business yet? Me not chase cloud. Me need nobody. Me need me, myself, and my tool to support and God. I will come to your mind, you put it down on your platform and you work with it. You ever see me over them the days are done. Cause I realize I'm so long and true, so you know, when we wake up at tomorrow, man, Lord God him not rest, you know. Come! The long time you step on the board with nothing. You not like people improve. I choose to play with her, and if she don't want to play with me, fine. Cause me multi-talented. Me not have to chat people business for you. I have to argue with that girl or a boy and I have to stay relevant. Me multi-talented. Remember me born with unique size, shape and figure. I got throw on the boot. Sit around there so. I'm all can tap in and go tap you so. Throw on the piece of heels and tap you so. And turn on the music. I put on one tie, I put on my short skirt them. And tie up my blouse, I put on one stocking. And close pin up my ear. And keep party. 3 lions start the party and appear. Money gun pull up and this pull up and that pull up. And drink liquor and wine till me tired. And short content on board. And lock down the whole city. Remember me first come here, come dance. I have 10,000 people here and lock down the whole place. Me no need nobody. No see that. Me stand alone. All in the war and me one. What can you hold? All your whole family, your mama. Come here plan for no. Oh? Me no need nobody, so I need somebody for chuckle along my journey. That's why if a boy move, him foot me no drop, and if a girl move, her foot me no drop. Some will live for today. Some people live for the moment. Me live for the future. I think about next year no come. That's something think. I think beyond thinking. Me no hold up nobody no hold up my lines, I'm no hold up nobody line. Anybody want to walk or free for where the door is open. The same as you find your place in, you can't find your way out. Me not run behind the people. No don't upset me. Cause me not walk such people play with. A long time I know the veteran of the game here so. Ali have 1 million followers. Ali not to walk and play with Jamaican. Check the people that I play with. Ali have 1 million followers. Ali not walk and play with Jamaican. I rarely you see Ali play with a Jamaican. I pay a fine rank of them play with. And Ali always request me. Always request. Sometimes I decline him because I have no smoke and I don't want to catch the embarrassment. Him always request me. I remember him no walk and play with Jamaican. Back in the days when the first of Jamaica used to play with a real dog. And I don't know what to go on with that.
Well, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more and then we're going to end it.
Screen a card there. Him no walk and play with Jamaican that much. Because when him beat him, when him beat him, when him beat you, he want to tell us he's a small person. You can't go up to him. He must tell you, I don't do official battles. If you not walk with me, me have Ali can play with, me have Mechi can play with. Me have Jabas can play with, people can play with. You know, so I rather slow and play with right through and they how much diamond on the board today. Raja no well equipped. Me not this much, no well equipped. Like the ordinary. I miss long and rank with. Me don't need nobody to play with. Me need God. And a few people will come support me. No go away. Come and walk and look friend from nobody. You don't know something versatile. My job 2 story. One time gone back Zozo. See all of this a nasty one you come here, so we can't chat to him now. He might run me down now. Enough for him time now. Give me a second, me will recharge and come back. Me soon come. Give me 2 minutes. Recharge play with him. So remember we have the game with Sugar Friday. My versatile. And me alone sit down and me will sing us for the whole day and chat, ask the people them, the girl them over here. Me sing over for the whole day and chat and reach up there. Wanna know who name Rosealee? Me over here, I sit down and argue with nobody. When I live at Seaview back then in my purple house, I sit down in front of my camera and draw for the liquor. And what comes to the mind, I tell it to the body. I'ma grab the crowd, I'ma entertain two girl and appear laughing. I may have one story, I go drop, I may have one story, I go drop. And I sell it. I want me sell lion for a store, I sell lion at show. I'm gonna put, oh, anybody, we know nobody so like me can't say me, everybody hate me so. My jaw crowd already at 6K, when they check along to 3,000, I say, everybody hate me. Somebody can't say, well, 3 line, I get the one day there. No, some boy Rose, me versatile. Rose will always be Rose. You know your Akim tell you, you walk from Rose, she will still be Rose. Me versatile. Always. You walk from me, still gonna remain the same girl where you left right so. Even better. Rose will always be Rose. Me don't need nobody. Me. And I work me come. Chap go reach out and take her and eat. Him will soon come back. Me? Anybody? Me not chase cloud. You ever see me in a people business yet? Me not chase cloud. Me need nobody. Me need me, myself, and my tool to support and God. I will come to your mind, you put it down on your platform and you work with it. You ever see me over here? Them the days are done. I realize I'm so long and trace, you know. When we wake up at tomorrow, man, Lord God, him not rest, you know. Come.